Our lesson today is about density. Objectives. At the end of this presentation, the students should be able to define the density, calculate the density in kilogram per meter cube and gram per centimeter cube. Density. An elevator of 3 persons in it will be more dense than the same elevator with only 2 persons in it. This elevator contains 2 persons, and this elevator contains 3 persons. The quantity of matter in elevator number 1 is less than the quantity of matter in elevator number 2. Then, elevator 1 is less dense than elevator 2. So, density depends on the quantity of matter in a given volume. Another example. Consider the 2 spheres shown in figure 1. Cotton sphere of volume 20 centimeter cube and of mass 32 grams. And iron sphere of volume 20 centimeter cube and of mass 160 grams. The 2 poles have the same volume, 20 centimeter cube, but the quantity of matter in iron sphere is greater than the quantity of matter in cotton sphere. Then, iron sphere is more dense than cotton sphere, since it contains a quantity of matter more than cotton sphere in the same volume. Another example. A classroom 1 of volume V1 equal 27 meter cube contains 5 students sit on desks distributed as shown in the figure. The same students and desks are distributed in a classroom 2 of volume V2 equal 100 meter cube. The desks and the students represent the amount of matter in this class. So, classroom 1 and classroom 2 contain the same amount of matter, but volume of classroom 2 is greater than the volume of classroom 1. So, classroom 2 is less dense than classroom 1. So, the density depends on the volume. As the volume increases and contains the same quantity, the density decreases. As a conclusion, I conclude that as the quantity of matter increases in a given volume, the density increases. As the volume containing the same quantity of matter increases, the density decreases. So, density is the mass per unit volume, and density equal mass over volume. Keep in mind, the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Density equal mass over volume, where in SI unit, M is the mass in kilogram, V is the volume in meter cube, D is the density in kilogram per meter cube. Another unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. Density equal mass over volume. If we want to find the density in gram per centimeter cube, then we have to use mass in gram, volume in centimeter cube, and the density will be in gram per centimeter cube. To convert from gram per centimeter cube to kilogram per meter cube, we have to multiply by 1000. And to convert from kilogram per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube, we have to divide by 1000. Thank you.